Middle-aged love is like a beautiful sunset. It is calm and steady, filled with deep understanding and mutual respect. Unlike the fairy passion of youth, it's built on shared experiences, trust, and companionship. It's about finding joy in simple moments, supporting each other through life's ups and downs, and cherishing the bond that has grown stronger over time. Middle aged love is a comforting reminder that love can bloom at any stage of life, offering a sense of peace and fulfillment. Hello, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to talk about 5 stories that talks about middle aged love. The first movie in the list is Once Again. Once Again was released in 2018 with an IMDb rating of 7.2. Once Again is a subtle and heartfelt drama that beautifully captures the essence of love, loneliness, and the intricacies of human relationship. Directed by Kanwal Sethi, the film stars the immensely talented Shefali Shah and Neeraj Kabi in lead roles. Set against the backdrop of Mumbai, Once Again is a mature love story that delves into the lives of two middle-aged individuals who find solace in each other's company. Once Again is a touching and beautifully made film that stays with you long. It's a celebration of life's quiet moments and the unexpected connection that brings the meaning and joy to our life. The film is a must-watch for anyone who believes in enduring power of love. Once Again is a touching and evocative film that explores the beauty of unexpected love and the courage it takes to embrace it. The next movie in the list is Kareeb Kareeb Single. Kareeb Kareeb Single was released in 2017 with an IMDb rating of 7.1. Kareeb Kareeb Single is a delightful romantic comedy that brings together two contrasting personalities on a journey that changes their lives. Directed by Tanuja Chandra, the film explores themes of companionship, love, and self-discovery with humor and heart. The film humorously and poignantly explores how the two very different people can complement and enrich each other's lives. Both characters learn more about themselves through their journey, confronting their past and understanding their own desires and fears. The story addresses themes of closure and moving on from past relationships, showcasing the importance of letting go and embracing new beginnings. Kareeb Kareeb Single is a charming and engaging film that stays with you, reminding you of joy and unpredictability of life and love. It is a must-watch for anyone looking for a feel-good movie with depth and humor. The third movie in the list is Yours Truly. Yours Truly is a tender and introspective film that revolves around Meeti Kumar, played by Soni Razdan, a 57-year-old woman living a solitary life in Kolkata. She finds solace in her monotonous routine and the anonymous voice of a railway announcer with whom she shares a unique and silent companionship. The movie captures Meeti's journey as she navigates through the complexities of loneliness and longing and her desire to connect with someone who understands her. The film deeply explores the themes of loneliness and the human need for connection. Meeti's character embodies the quiet struggles of living alone and the small moments of joy that keep her going. The movie beautifully portrays the idea of unspoken bonds and how sometimes the most profound relationships are those that do not rely on words. Yours Truly is a heartfelt film that stays with you long after you have watched it. It reminds us of the importance of small connection and the beauty of everyday moment. The fourth movie in the list is Lunchbox. The Lunchbox is a heartwarming romantic drama set in Mumbai, revolving around an unusual friendship that develops through a series of handwritten notes exchanged via lunchbox delivery. The film explores the theme of loneliness experienced by both main characters. Ila's isolation within her marriage and Sajan's solitary existence after the loss of his wife are poignantly depicted. The Lunchbox delves into the unspoken emotions and unfulfilled desires of its characters. The note exchange between Ila and Sajan are simple yet profound, filled with thoughts and feelings they can't share with those around them. The film contrasts the monotonous routines of the characters with the change brought about by their new relationship. Sajan, who is initially depicted as a grumpy and reclusive man, gradually opens up and finds joy in his daily life. Similarly, Ila gains the courage to seek happiness and fulfillment beyond her traditional role as a wife. The Lunchbox is a heartfelt exploration of love and connection in the modern world. It is unconventional love story told through letters and food resonates deeply with its audience. The film's emotional intimacy, stellar performances, and rich cultural background make it a poignant and memorable experience. The Lunchbox reminds us that love can find in the most unexpected ways, offering comfort, companionship, and a chance for personal transformation. The last movie in the list is Ankahi. Ankahi, one of the 4 short films in the anthology Ajeeb Dastans on Netflix, stands out as a poignant and beautifully crafted story that explores the complexities of human relationships and communication. Ankahi features Shivali Shah as Natasha and Manav Kaul as Kabir in lead roles, delivering powerful performances that leave a lasting impact. The film beautifully captures the essence of communication beyond spoken language. Natasha's relationship with her daughter and Kabir highlights how expressions, gestures, and emotion can bridge gaps that words often fail to fill. Ankahi dwells into the themes of loneliness in relationship. Natasha's marriage is a portrayal of silent suffering and isolation, while her bond with Kabir offers a stark contrast, filled with genuine connection and understanding. Ankahi is a touching and thought-provoking film that explores the silent struggles and unspoken bonds that define human relationships. Through stellar performances and sensitive direction, it leaves a profound impact, inviting viewers to reflect on the nature of communication, connection, and emotional intimacy. The short film is a testament to the power of understated storytelling and the depth of human emotion. And that was the list. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, like, subscribe, and share.